This is our second video about the proof of existence of God. Our first video was the cosmological argument, and this video we are discussing about the teleological argument about the existence of God. What is the definition of this argument? This is also called design argument. Now we are listening to the argument. First of all, there are two premises and one conclusion. Premise number one, the universe has a complex design and order. Premise number two, this complex design is unlikely to occur by chance, by itself, by chance. Conclusion, the universe was designed by an intelligent being, which is God, which is Allah Almighty. This is the argument, only argument. We explain it. What is this argument? What is the example of this argument? We are in a system. There is a system of life, there is a system of raining, there is a system of day and light. These are the systems and design systems. And these systems tell us that they have a designer, they have a creator of this system. Now we are listening example. If you go a jungle and you see a beautiful building here, and hence you now see here any person, any human, and you enter that building and you see everything in that building is accurate. The distance between walls, roof and floor is accurate, and there is anything in order in that building. In that point your mind will raise two questions. Who is designed this? Who is designer this? Why he design this? This is the two question logically arise in your mind. Why? Because human mind cannot accept that a managed building, a designed building can make itself. It is not possible. Like this, when we see the universe, like the sun, moon and its system of rotating. When we came this earth, we saw the moon and sun and system of day and night. Before our eyes was opened, before this everything exists, and our life started here, and every necessary thing for a life exists here, like oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and every necessity thing which necessary for life exists here before our life started here. And we are not going a star or another planet where there is no sign of life. We are here, there is life, and there is system of death and life. This is the argument, design argument, that there is a creator, there is a designer who designed this universe, who designed a life for a purpose. This argument, I know some atheist person raise some question, some objection on this argument. This video contain only a description of argument. We will discuss inshallah in other video in detail the objection of these atheists.